Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, April 22nd, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Yeah, you're looking at the Dow here. Dow took a hit today. Yesterday it had a real nice rally. We had a pretty good day. And today it reversed itself. It fell officially 321 points today, and basically is back to where it started yesterday. So it's this reverse stuff every other day that we've seen before. Very difficult to trade. Yesterday, you may have noted some optimism in my voice. I hope that maybe things were starting to turn around. We took 17 positions. We're holding positive about $13,000. And I said what I wanted to see happen today was that we don't just see that $13,000 wither away, and I'd like to see more profits than the $13,000. And I suggested maybe $20,000 or more would be good. Well, here's the ironic thing about this. We did, in fact, close out $21,000 with those positions yesterday that we closed out today. So I met my initial objective, but unfortunately there's not too much to be optimistic about. Excuse me. The $21,000 would be nice, except that I was watching this in the pre-market, as I usually do, in 30 minutes before stocks open, so which is in the pre-market. We were up nearly $50,000 with these positions. And I thought, man, the good days have returned. Yeah. And then the whack-a-mole guys start coming in there and whacking down our positions. So 30 minutes later, when the stocks officially open, that $50,000 is down to $35,000. I took a screenshot of that. It'll be on the website. And then by the time that we finally get out, the 50,000 that had dropped to 35,000 is now down to 21,000. So we've seen over a 50% drop in our profits in about an hour's time, thanks to the hedge fund guys going in there and selling the hell out of our positions. So that's not encouraging, even though technically I met my objective of getting over $20,000. It didn't feel real good when I saw $50,000 drop to $21,000. But it gets worse. We actually got into 11 new positions. Again, this is very suspicious when the Dow's going down 321 points for the day, and we get in 11 positions, which is a fair number of positions. And of those 11 positions, 0 are positive. Everyone's negative. All 11 are negative. It's all red day. So I would say that we were doing fine up to 30 minutes before the stocks opened, and then the whack-a-mole guys took over, and we just got killed. Actually, killed both in terms of our exits and even more in our new positions. And given the fact that we have 11 positions and none are positive, and we're going into Freaky Friday tomorrow, I would say, in spite of the fact we closed out $21,000, we probably haven't made a penny today. And it's just more of the same crap we've been having to deal with. And obviously, I'm not increasing the exposure in my other accounts at all, and I'm remaining at this just token trading level of trading only 20%, or excuse me, 1/20th of the exposure that we had on March 1st. Cut it down to practically nothing. It's just token trading. Yeah, it's tough. It's really tough. I'll show you. So, there's no optimism here coming from me about what's going on. I mean, it will turn around, but it's not going to turn around today. This is the only thing I'm going to show you. This is EYES Eyes, which is Second Sight Medical Products. And sometime around the 3rd hour today, they ran this thing up just like crazy, probably basically tagging our stops. And then immediately the whack-a-mole guys jump in and start driving it down, driving it down, driving it down. And then just kind of like the Dow, it ends closing where it started. And we are down. We are the bag holders, down $3,000 in Second Sight Medical Products. And this is just typical what's going on. Anything that goes up, they sell it and push it down. When you're trading breakouts, that's just the kiss of death. And that's why I'm only trading 1/20th of the exposure on my managed accounts. This is just terrible. So, what more can I say? We're down $17,000 in our open positions with no winners, and we're going into Freaky Friday tomorrow. I'll see you then.